Fox 40 financial analyst Keith Springer joining us live from his luxurious offices. Go Giants. Nicely done.
Go Giants. We're all ready, right? We're all rooting for them. My Red Sox are dead, so let's go Giants.
No, I hope this is a trend. I like seeing you in the sporting attire. It looks great.
All right, let's start off.
Let's
start off this morning, Keith, with what the big board's doing right now. We are up 75 points. Were we expecting that?
Yeah, actually, it's a good morning. We've got earnings that are a little bit better than expected. We had Goldman Sachs start the day with better than expected earnings. Very strong day. And then we had industrial production come out, which was really the big news. Industrial production was up 0.4%, almost double what was expected. The big thing, it was coming off a big loss of last month. Last month we saw 1.4% negative. So it's showing that factories are doing a lot higher as far as output. This is good coming off of yesterday's retail sales numbers. So maybe we're getting a little bit firmer footing for the economy, which is good for hiring. It's good for the... What's that?
No, nothing. I will jump in here, though. I know it's financial market lingo stuff, but I find it interesting, the idea of a leading indicator or a trailing indicator as to how the economy is doing. When you talk about industrial production going up, is that a leading indicator? Does that say good things are ahead of us, or what's that mean?
Yeah, it's a very good thing. I'll try to explain it a little bit in a short amount of time, but industrial production measures the output in factories, utilities, and mines. So it's basically all the things that Americans make. So if people are making more goods and services following yesterday's retail sales, which means people are buying more goods and services, then hopefully the demand will increase and allow companies to want to make more goods and services and therefore hire more people. That's why these leading indicators are so important. It tells us if they're making more stuff and people are buying more stuff, maybe we can get on firmer footing for the economy and push these corporations to hire more people and lower the unemployment rate, because that's what the government and that's what the country needs, is if we can get people back to work and buying more things, ultimately buying homes, because the housing sector employs so many different people. Because remember, when you build a home, you need plumbers and carpenters and everything that goes along with it. So it all starts sort of at the bottom. Industrial production is the output for the country. We need people to spend and buy these things, and then hopefully we can get some firmer footing and get people hired again and get these companies to start hiring people. And that's when it all starts, and that's when we start the next bull market, which we're all hoping for soon.
All right, I was hoping my question would lead to good news, and it did. Thanks very much, Keith. It's always nice to talk to you. We'll catch you tomorrow. If anybody has questions for Mr. Keith Springer, send your thoughts to money@fox40.com. You can also call him up, 916-925-8900, and there's his website, keithspringer.com.
6:48 now on your Tuesday morning. Here's Sheldon Orvis in the Atlanta Reno Traffic Center.
Well,